What is SEO and how it would help you to rank #1 on the first page of Google? How you can use SEO to make your website relevant and related to answer the queries of the customers. Hello everyone, welcome to POYA channel. Today I'm going to take you in the SEO tutorial. In this tutorial I will help you to know the basic of SEO and how SEO is working. Let's get in and start it. In today's topic we will cover what is SEO. At the beginning you need to know, and you will know the SEO and understand what is SEO, and then how search engine works and what is the relationship of the SEO, how the SEO or the search engine works, how search engine works. After knowing the search engine, the working of search engine, then we will go to keyword research and how you can find the keyword, what is keywords, and how to use, where to use the keywords in your website. Then after completing this, we would go on page SEO, and lastly off page SEO, how to use on page SEO and what are the process and what things you can do for on page SEO and as well as the off page SEO. Let's move on and start with the SEO. What is SEO? You may have heard a lot the SEO. And you know that SEO stands for search engine optimization. It is the practice of increasing both the quality and the quantity of website traffic as well as the exposure to your brand through non-paid, also known as organic search engine result. So this is the SEO, search engine optimization, but we have two things here. We have organic search and also we have paid search. Let me show you the organic search and also the paid search. When you open your Google, we search, for example, Google Ads. So the result would appear here. How high the competition is on Google or all the search engines. How to ensure that your website would appear among this paid competition to rank on the first page using SEO. So now these are that we have AD in the front. It means they are paid search. They have paid, and on the first engines of the search result, first of all in the first scroll all are ads. The ad will appear. After that, then there would be the organic search or non-paid search. The organic search means you are using SEO after to rank your website after the ads. After that, these are all the organic search. It means when you are using the SEO, your website would enter the organic search. Okay, let's get back. So now it's time to know how search engine works. There are three main things in search engine. One is crawl, index, and rank. What is crawl? Scour the internet for content, looking over the code content for each URL they find. That is called crawling. They are like a spider. They are scour the internet for content. Then when the crawling is done, it comes the turn for index. Index store and organize the content found during the crawling process. Once a page is in the index, it is in the running to be displayed as a result to relevant queries. The queries that the researcher is searching, then the index would display that content. The third part of the search engine work is rank. Rank provides a piece of content that will best answer a searcher's query, which means that the results are ordered by most relevant to the least relevant. Now it means you should make your website and your content so relevant to the researcher's query. How to do it? I will show you now. So, what is search engine crawling? Crawling is the discovery process in which search engine send out a team of robots known also as crawler or spoiler. See, these are the spoilers, and they are many websites. They are crawling among all the websites to find a new and updated content. Content can vary, of course, but it could be a web page, the content. It could be an image, a video, or PDF, or any other format of file. But regardless of the format, content is discovered by the links. The spoilers will find the links and connect the links, then it brings to the web page. So now how to rank and how to connect and how to make your website appear to this crawling, and how to link your website and rank your website on the first page. First, keyword research. What are people searching for? You should know what do people search. How many people are searching for it? So it depends on your service, on your website, what you are offering, and how many people are searching for your offers. In what format do they want the information? Therefore, for searching the keywords, you should know all these things to make sure and to ensure that your keywords are relevant to the searcher's query. Now, let me introduce you some useful tools for searching keywords. First of all, Seo is a tool that can help you find the related keywords and related relevant keywords to the queries of searchers, and you would know how many people are searching for these and what are the people are searching for using these keywords. You can also use Google Search Console, you can use Ahrefs Keyword Explorer, you can use Google Keyword Planner, and you can also use Keyword Everywhere. These are all though there are many keyword research tools, but these are the most popular ones that you can use, and most of the SEO planners are using this. Now, when you got your keywords, you have found your keywords, it's time to put them in your website and put them within your content. How to do this? First of all, and the first step of SEO is to make your URL short. If your URL is too long, the people during the crawling, it may not be so relevant, and you should include some keywords, at least one or two keywords within your URL, and make it as short as possible so the people, the researchers and the users can remember it. The second point is use keywords in the title tag. What is title tag? See here, you see this is the title tag which appear after a searcher search. This is how it look on the web page. This is the title tag. Use keywords in the title tag, the keyword that the researcher is searching for. Then use those keywords in your description meta tag. When you are describing your content, then use some of those keywords that you have used in title tag, use them in your description as well. Then what are the other techniques? Write effective headlines. Your headline be so effective, so attractive, and it should not be so vague or ambiguous. Add subheading and also heading tags, the same as we have here. Finally, make an appealing landing page based on the viewer's need. Your landing page should be clear, and you should know what is the searchers looking for. Based on their need, you should make your URL. You should make your landing page. Finally, we came to the off-page SEO. Off-page SEO, when you are done with the on-page SEO, you have done all these keywords, the title tag, descriptions, meta tag, everything. Now it's time to link your website with the other content, with other website and in other blog when your people searching for, even they are going on the other web page and they are seeing your comment, your link here, and they can come. This is how you would increase the ranking of your web page, as well as you would generate more leads to your website. The first thing you should do is creating backlinks. Create as many backlinks as possible on different websites, on different blogs, in order to generate more leads and more possible leads and more leads. How to create the backlinks? It is very easy, a very simple coding of the HTML, you know it. So just type this code which appeared here. You type this first, then here would be your website and your keywords. Whatever the keyword is, just put your keywords here, then it would be linked, and the readers who read and who see this link, they click and they would be directed to your website. Social promotion is the most important part. Though you are using backlinks, then do not forget to promote your web page, your services on other social. And lastly, domain authority. Domain authority is a search engine ranking score, which is 1 out of 100. So if you are using and doing all the steps clearly, you have the ability and you have the chance to rank your website number 1 on the first and bring your website on the first page of search engine. That is how you can do it without paying, and it will be, your website can appear on the first page as organic search result. That is what you can do it with the help of SEO. We will have more videos on SEO with the details and other techniques of SEO. If you have not subscribed the channel, do not forget to subscribe the channel now and smash the like button. If you have any queries, you can comment down below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on SEO if you are the beginner and you want to learn more on SEO.